Welcome. We are time anti-time. We are our multidimensional self, Satnam.
In this unit, let's embrace the Trinity Wave Energy, a force of unity, balance, and creation.
This sacred energy is rooted in the ancient understanding of the Trinity, three interconnected and harmonious aspects that together form the foundation of all existence.
The Trinity Wave Energy resonates with the principles of spirit, mind, and body, or consciousness, intention, and action, creating a powerful synergy that fosters profound transformation and growth.
From AscensionGlossary.com, Christ consciousness is a collective consciousness force field of the Trinity source of the Godhead, and any kind of entity can choose to embody the inner Christos by becoming a human being, and evolve over time to become an embodied Christ. There are ascended Christs embodied in male and female forms that have united their inner polarities through spiritual ascension to the ZeroPoint. One must inhabit an ascending planet in order to have the opportunity to spiritually evolve into a Christ and experience cosmic Christ consciousness, which is the status of a cosmic citizen that travels God sovereign free throughout the universes.
As we tune into the Trinity Wave Energy, we invite a deep sense of unity within ourselves and with the universe.
This energy harmonizes our inner and outer worlds, bridging the gap between our highest aspirations and our tangible reality.
It encourages us to cultivate balance in all aspects of our lives, emotional, mental, physical, and spiritual, ensuring that we operate from a place of wholeness and integrity.
The Trinity Wave Energy is a catalyst for creation, empowering us to manifest our dreams and desires with clarity and purpose.
By aligning our consciousness with our intentions and taking inspired action, we tap into the infinite potential that lies within us.
This energy supports us in co-creating our reality in alignment with our highest good and the greater good of all.
During this practice, we will engage in various exercises and meditations designed to activate and integrate the Trinity Wave Energy within us. These may include
Trinity Breathwork, a rhythmic breathing technique that synchronizes our breath with the three aspects of the Trinity, promoting deep relaxation, clarity, and alignment.
Visualizations. Guided visualizations that help us see and feel the Trinity Wave Energy flowing through us, creating a sense of unity and balance in our being.
Affirmations and intentions. Setting clear intentions and affirmations that resonate with the principles of the Trinity, empowering us to take inspired action in our lives.
Energy circulation. Practices that facilitate the circulation of the Trinity Wave Energy throughout our bodies and energy fields, enhancing our vitality and creative potential.
By embracing the Trinity Wave Energy, we open ourselves to a new paradigm of existence, one characterized by unity, balance, and limitless creativity. As we integrate this sacred energy into our daily lives, we become co-creators of our reality, manifesting a world that reflects our highest aspirations and the divine plan.
Let us now dive into this transformative practice, allowing the Trinity Wave Energy to guide us on our journey of unity, balance, and creation.
Sit quietly, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. Visualize three waves of light, gold, silver, and platinum, flowing together and merging within your heart.
The Trinity Wave Energy is one of our favorite frequencies if we are feeling imbalanced, because of the feeling of equilibrium and expansion it brings.
Affirm, I request the Trinity Wave Energy. I embrace the Trinity Wave Energy. I am balanced, unified, and connected to the source.
In conclusion, the Trinity Wave field facilitates the occurrence of true tantric heart union. The revelations hidden inside these sacred unions have many different dimensions of purpose for living as the multidimensional self.
We are happy that you can now incorporate the Trinity Wave Energy into your multidimensional self.
We are time anti-time. We wish you love, light, and success. Satnam.